Coach Lucky.
Jem and Alden versus Ken and Miguel.
Sa laban ko po.
Standby player Annalisa, Gwen, Rita, and Daisy. Standby player Annalisa, Gwen, Rita, and Daisy on court number 3.
Kampi tayo.
Sige po.
Standby player Hazel, Aina, Katji, and Faith. On court number 3, Annalisa, Gwen, Rika, and Daisy.
Ben. Ay. Hindi po.
We're live in 3, 2, 1. Welcome back to Smash Made here in GCC. That's where it is for our Friday viewing. So now we are here for our 4th
Raffle.
raffle round. So you will win. You have a chance to win a great courtesy of Coach Hazel. So our first winner will be congratulations to Annalisa. Come on down. Rika, court number 3. Annalisa, Gwen versus Rika and Daisy. Once again, court number 3. Annalisa, Gwen versus Rika and Daisy. Okay, our second winner. Our winner is Rika. Congratulations, swerte ng court number 3, ha? Congratulations, Rika and Annalisa. So you get winner prize after your game. So our last winner for our 4th round of raffle for tonight. Raffle team! And our winner is no other than Anthony! Congratulations, Anthony! You can claim your prize here.
Bigyan na yung Luningning.
Bigyan na, bigyan! Congratulations! will be 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. still here in GCC Das Marinas Cavite for our Sunday viewing. So if you wanted to join us in our viewing, we have Monday, Thursday, Friday, and Sunday. Monday will be a special that is straight goes to Thursday. Friday and Sunday will be in GCC Das Marinas Cavite. And so, the long wait is over. Okay, so our grand raffle. Customized kitchen. O, di ba nagulat kayo? Nakita? Magic ang tawag. So if you... Kung babasahin siya ng cold, magiging lalaki siya. Kapag hot, magiging babae. So this is Toronto 1 cup. Oh, yes, yes. Okay, our last winner and the grand prize is this customized station. So also before we proceed with our grand prize, aside from the viewings that we will have every week, we also have this hand game exclusively for Smashers or Smash League members this coming August 15th. That is birthday celebration of Old Chase Hell. So that is our fun game. So the registration is 550. That includes already the food, the games, and raffle. So if you're interested in fun, please reach out to us in our page, which is Smashmate Badminton Club. So now the long wait is over for our customized kitchen raffle. And our winner is... Congratulations to Team...
Naglalaro pa. Ay, ito ba yun? Ay, di pala. Si Jem pala.
That's Team. Team? So, going once, going twice.
Uy, nagpapadali na.
Sorry, guys. Congratulations! Thanks to you, Team. Second our 1 million subscribers. Thank you very much. So once again, if you are interested to join our viewing, you have Monday and Thursday that will be in Espacio Imus Cavite. Then Friday and Sunday that will be here in GCC Das Marinas Cavite. So we have also the training program. So if you want to have a Friday, Barkada, couple and family as well, that is your goal. So you can reach out to our coach, Master Coach, Coach Hazel. So she will going to go ahead and entertain your questions at Badminton Club. Sorry, Smash League Club. Sorry, bakit alam ko ako ngayon, hindi sa trabaho. Smash League Badminton Club. At isa din yun. Hi, shout out to Francis at before naman hindi ka nag-join. Hindi ka naglaro kayo. So Monday ha, nakag-join ka ba ng Monday? Or Sunday ka na. Sunday. So Sunday is coming Sunday to have 15 players already, but we can still accommodate up to 60. So the clock is ticking. We only have 8 players left before we close out our Sunday game. So once again, the Sunday game is still here in GCC Das Marinas Cavite. That will be starting at until 3 p.m. So it's 198 at least it's so much I want to press it. Kaya tomorrow after next Sunday, you can join me. We also have raffle. We also still have raffles this Sunday viewing natin, and we have already 52
Tagalog! You can speak Tagalog!
What's up?
And the wedding person.
Oh yeah, sorry. I do apologize. That's Shannon and I'm Suzanne in Tagalog. So I don't think I speak in Tagalog. So yeah, thank you very much. Shout out to Aina, who just mentioned to me I need to speak in Tagalog, but I'm glad to speak without you might not understand me. So thank you very much. And once again, this is Brian, your host for tonight. See you soon. Bye.
Perfect!
Thank you.
Dapat, kanino ka hanapin? Standby player Hazel Aina Kaji and Faye. Standby player Anna J.M. Ann and Ralph.
Ngayon pala ako nakapagpag. Hinihingan na ako. Nagbakang telephone. Isang buwan.
Sayang, thanks. Keep it up, keep it up. Ba't pa naman ito?
Standby player on court number 4, Hazel Aina Kaji and Faye. Standby player on court number 3, Anna J.M. Ann and Ralph.
Pangalan ko. Sayang, solid ang ay. Pinapaya ko lang ba ito?
Sound check. So standby player, Hazel Aina versus Taji and Ryan. Faye, court number 4. Once again, court number 4. Players Hazel, Aina versus Archie and Kate. Once again, court number